Hey guys and gals, thanks for tuning back into my channel. And tonight's first mail call for Ron's Recreations YouTube channel. And we got our first mail. I want to thank Dr. Art's Hot Rod Rehab and Lucky for sending me my first YouTube sticker from one of my fellow content creators. Thanks, guys. Hey, I also wanted to let you guys know that I got my channel stickers in today. Let you know what you guys think. I'm going to be sending some of these out to you guys. I want to thank Dr. Art and Lucky. I'll be sending you some channel stickers in return. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. We're going to be working on the frame, and we're going to be cleaning up the welds this weekend. We're also going to be fitting the cab mounts for the crew cab. Duddy, pay attention, because you're going to want to do this to your crew cab. Because I think you mentioned you're going to do this to your crew cab. Thanks, guys, for tuning into my channel. #NoNameNationals. See you in the next video.